Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video I will show you on how you can add locations to your TikTok videos. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now, first things first, you want to go ahead and open up TikTok on your devices, and once inside, you can just go ahead and click on the plus icon at the center of your screen to upload your own video through your gallery or through your camera. In my case, I'll just go ahead and record this quick video right here. Now in my case, I'll just go ahead and select this video right here, and once inside, you can just go ahead and click on the next button below your screen, and it will basically take us to the post settings right here. Inside, you will then go ahead and see your description for this post. You have your link and you have your public status. You can just go ahead and add your location by clicking on this location button, and it will basically open up our Google camera, and it will basically open up our location or Apple Maps right here. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.